threats plays a very important role to counter the hindrance of the growth of the countries, and to empower it, countries used to use its whole military power and the diplomatic powers. There are different types of internal security threats which comes into the play. Some are the countries from the outside threat, countries from the inside threats, and some of the diplomatic threats. Good morning, gentlemen. Today I got the topic to speak upon the internal security threats possessed by the foreign countries. Talking about the outside threats, it's like the inter-insurgency followed by the Pakistanis and the other Afghanistan countries. They used to send militants which are trained to power and hinder the process of the peace in our country. Coming to internal threats, there are Naxalism and other parts of the countries like the northeast and other Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh parts, which used to hinder the process of the growth for the countries. And some of them are the diplomatic threats like the USA is going on for the tariff part. What is the act of the India? What are the point of views which India is focusing to counter it? Firstly, India is trying to make a very good alliances with the foreign countries. Secondly, India is strengthening its military power and the diplomatic power in the whole over the world. India is also going on with the defensive offensive mode. Will not face any type of terrorism. Will not want to make any type of terrorism to grow. Will totally retaliate to any type of terrorism. And the best example is Operation Sindoor. What are the things which India is doing for against the Naxalism? Firstly, we are following the total inter-insurgency, countering terrorism topic and the theme, like the BSF and the other CRPF forces are doing in the Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand part. They are totally using its military power and strength to counter it. Coming to the diplomatic threats which comes in our mind, like the USA and the other tariffs. India is making alliance with other foreign countries, making good diplomatic alliance like we have seen in the ASEAN, G20 summit, BITSNET and other summits. India is trying to make good alliances not only with the opposition parties but also the themes of the countries which are one of the adversaries, like we can see in the SCO summit with the China. And these are the steps which are very much required for the country to counter it. According to me, India must always go for the part of the theme that will not tolerate any type of terrorism. We will always retaliate it with all the guns and the soldiers we do have. We have strengthened our economy, we have strengthened our military forces to do what we have won. At last, I want to conclude that India is the one who will not retaliate against the terrorism if they won't suppress us. We will retaliate for surely if they will hinder the process of the peace and the growth for our country. We will strongly send a strong message in the whole over the world that we are the one who are the wish guru and we will never ever face any type of difficulties for the civilians and the other parts of the countries. Thank you.